to say, the build quality is pretty stunning for a keyboard. These rounded edges look a lot like a MacBook, and definitely feel really nice for a keyboard. And it really should be for the price, which is $150 for this full-size keyboard I have here. Let's take a look at the keys. Ooh, these definitely have a lot more travel than the old butterfly keyboards on the old MacBooks. But they're still pretty slim, so if you're coming from a mechanical keyboard, you're really gonna probably hate them. This keyboard feels almost exactly like a 60-inch MacBook. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe for a full review of this ultra expensive and ultra clean Magic Keyboard coming soon.